In today's video, I'll show you how to use buffers on Calendly. Buffers are short breaks you can add before or after a meeting. They're useful if you need time to prepare before a call, travel between meetings, or simply take notes and reset afterward. Each event type can have its own buffer settings, so you can customize them based on your needs. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website. Then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the scheduling page and find the event type where you want to add buffers. Next, click the three dots menu on that event and select Edit. Inside the event editor, click on More Options, then open the Limits and Buffer section. From there, click Set Buffer Time. Now you can add your preferred buffer time before the meeting, after the meeting, or both. This ensures you have enough space between bookings. Once you're done setting your buffers, click Save Changes and your settings will be applied to that event type. And that's it. That's how you use buffers on Calendly. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.